Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just wanted to show you two positions. One is, let's say, a first position you ever learn when you start learning chess, and the second is position when grandmasters play. Yeah, it's all about patterns. It's all about seeing things which you learn all your life, and then you still miss them. Yeah, when you're a grandmaster. So in this position, it's very easy to checkmate. Yeah, white just needs to understand that rook is threatening the king, and we need to move the king in order to attack with the rook. But when kids come to chess class, yeah, they might not make this mistake. They might, go around and try to win pawn and then promote the pawn and then lose rook and maybe a draw. Yeah, and I'm not joking. Yeah. And for Grandmaster, it's easy, yeah, to give this checkmate in one by just moving the king and releasing this this rook potential and giving checkmate. So the next position is occurred in real life game, and for me it doesn't look much very makes big difference. Yeah, that it's not mate in one, but it could be mate in two. So in this position, it's actually white's turn to move, and white tried to defend. So as I watched the game, I was sure that I didn't see this checkmate myself. Yeah, and when white played bishop to b2, and it was standing there for like 10 more moves, two grandmasters just couldn't figure out how white loses here. Yeah, but Grandmaster Yepyshin, which played with black, he could have played pawn to a1 check, so bishop has to move, and now very nice checkmate, rook to a2, checkmate in the king. So these positions for me, I just wanted to say that they're about equal, but still they can be figured out by the beginners, and they can be solved by and sometimes these beginner positions are not solved by grandmasters. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.